Hey CIS Game 1, it's Dr. Tracy, and let's talk about what you need to be working on this week. Hopefully you've received the announcement through your email or by checking the announcement section of Canvas. This week in CIS Game 1, you've got Chapter 5, a discussion for Chapter 5, and also we're starting a new project. Remember our last project? Projects are a little bit more work than just a discussion, and they require you to do something. So I'm going to talk about Chapter 5 in a different video. For this video, I want to talk about what you're going to be doing with Project 2. So Project 2 is going to be a card game. Grab a deck of cards. If you don't own one, I'm sure you can buy one. I see them at most stores, convenience stores, liquor stores, grocery stores, whatever. And invent a card game. And I'm not requiring that you even use a standard deck of cards. If you have other kinds of cards that you want to use, or if you want to make your own cards using 3x5 index cards or something, whatever you do, you're going to use a deck of cards. You're going to make a game. You're not going to play an existing game. You're going to create a brand new game. You're going to make all of the rules. It can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. And you can use other elements if you want to go with it, like game pieces, dice, crayons, pen, paper, I don't know. You tell me, you figure it out. You can have multiple decks, you can have a single deck, but in the end, I want you to figure out this game so well that you know how to play it and you know how to explain it. It should be a fully playable card game that you can demonstrate and explain to the group that I assigned you to. This isn't due till October 4th, so that does give you a couple of weeks to work on this. What you will submit to me is a brief description of your game and answer all the following questions using the terminology out of chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's why this project is called Terminology. You're going to tell me about the players and the objective of the game and the required actions for play and any limits to play or rules. What conflict is there in the game? What are the boundaries? What is the outcome, the potential outcomes? Win, loss, tie. What creates challenge? What makes it dramatic? Is there a sense of play? Is there a premise? Is there a character? Is there a story? How can you incorporate all of these elements and then use this to describe them? So you'll turn in this project to me. I don't need your card game yet. What I want you to do is just give me all the terminology. What's going to happen after this project is turned in? You will be again assigned to a group. And this time I have a discussion